Hey guys, it's SlaySoQ66. Here's all my Lego guys right now, and I might get some more on my birthday. Yep. I'll do some videos after February 11th. There'll be some new videos, more guys, more things. Okay. Now, let's start out simple. Okay, I'm gonna show you my two pilots. Okay. But there's something weird. Okay. Okay. He has a white hand and a yellow hand. He has a black hand. And his other hand fell off. Yep, these are, oh my god. Yeah, look. This is my grand. This is pretty cool. Oh god. Okay, it's hard to see. These are small. We have Halo. You can see what he really looks like. Oh, sorry about that. It's just my camera. Okay, if you see Halo, if you play the campaign, you know what he looks like, but he's just small. Got it? Okay, now, yeah. This guy, I don't know what to name him. He's like a city guy, and, here is, Joe. This is a, like a space police guy. Yeah. Okay, hold on. So, he's pretty cool. Okay. Now, here he is. Duke. Okay, he's pretty cool. This guy, wow, the Headless Rock Monster. Come on. Oh, and under this guy's helmet is that. Can you see? Yeah. He's headless Rock Monster. There's no head. He's so good. He's headless. And I think you all know who this is. Well, I bet you don't. Not all of you do, but this is Han Solo from the Hoth set. Some of these guys are customized. As you see, some are customized, some don't. Okay. And this guy. Look cool. Well, I got. I lost my cranks. See how this guy's name is Wrench. Cranks is green. His head is, orange. And his name was Cranks. And this guy's name is Wrench, the brother. Don't you get the joke? A wrench, cranks. Don't you get the joke? And here's my Lego Atlantis guy. I'm going Cartoon Network. You can watch Lego Atlantis. You can. Okay, now I want to say something. Have I showed you this guy? Well, this guy's cool. He has two droid arms. You think these are like droid arms? They're green. Oh, yeah, look. You don't know what that is. Of course you don't. But you know about it. Whatever it is. Hope I get that. That'd just be perfect. And right now how to work stop motion, you can just take the stop motion video, and that would be great. I need some stations and bases. Yep. And look, Lego City. It's cool. Oh, hey. Cool, and you're supposed to have one gun. Oh, yeah. And he's Commander Blue. Captain Blue, actually. Commander Plane. It's cool. Customize them. Handmade. Me. I did all that. Okay, I'm solo. Have I showed you guys my gunner? Yeah, I use my gunner. Oh, so Master Lego. Master Lego, guys. Master Lego. Here's the thing, guys. It's because Felix, so do I. So I'm One Piece. And this guy's Lego City, but he's like a scout. He's like a binoculars. He's like a scout. Like that. And he's my scout. Hawk guy. But I made his feet red. His feet are red. No, I didn't do a good job. Sorry. And have I showed you guys? Yeah, and this Skywalker. Yep. Oh, look at this guy. King Pilot. Okay. So, who's finished? Oh yeah. R2-D2. Ultimate droid ever. You know there's black R2-D2. He's not white, he's black. Oh, there's Commander whatever, and the numbers are this. My brother. Okay, now check. So here's my last guy. Wait, my droid. Last bird. Okay, now that one. Let's skip anybody. Go. That guy's cool. Hey, I'm changing. Guys, he's my. I don't know what rank this guy is. I'm gonna click on my screen. Yeah, so bye guys. And this is my clone army. If you don't like the sound effects, well, just tell me. Text me. Anyway, you can communicate me. Okay. If you don't like them, do red. Yeah, and what's your face? Grand? Migran. I'm a grunt. What about you? Are you a grunt? So, see you some other time. Bye.